Right. So, a little bit tipsy. Yeah. I'm drinking a pretty good bit of wine.
Yeah, and that's why I decided to drive.
My ex is driving.
Yep.
Just gonna wear these shades, and I got these beautiful, cute little dogs. But guess what? I'm actually moving out of state. I'm moving into a townhouse, so that'd be great. This place is amazing. $200 deposit, $100 application fee, transfer my job and everything. So, yeah, a place where it's multicultural. I'm not gonna share locations, but it's truly divine. It's paradise on Earth, on this planet, right? Being a Palladian starseed, finally a place where you have synchronize your vibe and your energy, and got our dogs with it. They're just going around. It's beautiful out, it's spring, autumn.
Just about. It's all
And just about autumn. It's kind of like Hawaiian weather at this point. Doggos. Look at them on the back. What are we doing? Some little minor shopping. Also might get another tattoo on my left hand. Jonathan, you're watching this video. You're not answering your video. You're not answering your calls. Trying to throw the money. Answering. So, yeah, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm a bit tipsy. I said a bit of that leftover wine from that previous video last night. This is what? You want to see something? Stop! Wait, look at it. He's so goddamn cute. Look at that face. Oh shit, dude. Oh, take this off. Oh god. Look at the teeth. Look at the lips. Look at the black face. Look at the raccoon face. He's got a mask. It's so great. Oh my god. Saucy boy. Look at that. Just now. Look at that whisker. Oh my god! Nothing more! Yeah. Crazy. It's so beautiful out, isn't it? Anyway, go to Walmart, I guess.